How's it going? This is a Case IH95. Last night I got stuck out here in the field. Long story short, fuel gauge said we had a quarter of a tank. Opened her up. And you can see straight down there was nothing in there. So grab some fuel, put her in, and still wouldn't start. She'd turn over, nothing. So I Googled, I searched everywhere, looked on YouTube. There's nothing out there on this. It's in the owner's manual, but sometimes on an 8-year-old tractor, we don't always have the owner's manual. So I want to show you how to fix this problem. Open her up. Here's your engine. So you got your air conditioner. I think it's an evaporator. And then you got your fuel water separator. And here, it's another little fuel filter. So what you got to do, you got to be a little careful. This has got two little clips. You take a pair of flat nose screwdriver and open them up, and then pop this little booger off. Pop that off. There's a lever right here. It just moves a little bit. But when you get it off, you squeeze it all the way down. This one's not gonna have any pressure because I've already primed it. But you're gonna take that cap off, and be careful. I broke mine when I did it, so I only have one ear holding it on. It still holds though. But you take that cap off. You put your wrist in there. Just pop it. And you're gonna pop it, and you're gonna see fuel start spitting out of the top of it. You know, pump it a few times, let the fuel get out of there. That's gonna clear the air. Put your cap back on. Jump in her. She should fire up. I put a little starter fluid just because it's set for a day. And the air cleaner sprayed a couple bursts right here, and turned her over and just got done shredding. So anyway, just a quick video. It may sound novice, but I didn't know what the heck to do. I was worried. So it may save you a trip out for a mechanic. So anyway, quick tip, take it easy. Have a good afternoon. Check out bitbelt.com.